What's the meaning of curium? Curium. Curium.
Curium. Curium. Curium is a synthetic chemical element with the symbol Cm and atomic number 96. This radioactive metal was first synthesized by Glenn T. Seaborg, Ralph A. James, and Albert Ghiorso in 1944 as part of the Manhattan Project. It is named after Marie and Pierre Curie, the pioneering researchers of radioactivity. Curium has no known biological role but has uses in research, nuclear reactors, and as a source of alpha particles for X-ray spectrometry. Its isotopes have potential applications in cancer therapy and nuclear batteries. The most stable isotope, Cm-247, has a half-life of over 15 million years.